In this video, you will learn about the present simple tense and how to form sentences using it. This topic is a part of tenses. The present simple shows that an action happens every day. For example, I brush my teeth. Or we drive to work. Or they watch TV every day. To form a sentence, use the pronouns he, she or it. Add the verb with an S to talk about the action. For example, he plays football. Or she plays football. Or it plays football. To form a sentence using the pronouns I and you, add the verb without an S to talk about the action. For example, I play football. And you play football. To form a sentence using the pronouns we and they, add the verb without an S to talk about the action. For example, we play football. And they play football. Now you know how to form sentences in the present simple tense.